All right, so I know that there are a lot of you guys out there that are trying to take your online business full-time. You know, you guys are trying to get into affiliate marketing, you guys are trying to do personal branding, any sort of e-commerce, drop shipping store, FBA, anything in that sort of realm. You guys are trying to take that full-time. And my biggest recommendation for anyone who is in that position is try to get away as soon as you can. So what I mean by that is, look, maybe you're in school, maybe you have a job, that sort of stuff is understandable. Try to take a work leave or utilize the school breaks that you have and try to get as far away from your hometown as possible. Okay, so obviously right now I'm in a place called Leiden. It's like 20 minutes outside of Amsterdam. And if I'm completely honest, there's nothing to fucking do here. I'm here at my business partner's house. Obviously my business partner has his companies to run, so it's not like we're spending all day together. So really my only option is to stay at home and work anywhere from 10 to 14 hour days, which is amazing because obviously this is a business trip. We're trying to grow IG media, trying to get a lot more Dutch clients. But apart from that, I have Influencer.Ignited, which is launching. So really this gives me the time to fully delve into that. The problem with a lot of you guys is that you're going and you're working 8 to 10 hours at your job and you're trying to come home and you're working on your dreams, as everyone has told you to do, which is right. But the problem is you've literally exerted all of your energy on your job and you come home and you save what is the most important thing in your life right now, which is building your online business, starting your entrepreneurial journey. You are saving the most important thing for last in the day, when you have the least amount of willpower, the least amount of focus. So as I said, I'm very lucky. I'm here for the next 2 weeks. There's pretty much nothing to do. I'm actually having an amazing time, literally just crushing work, making sure that Influencer.Ignited is the best that it can be. Obviously, I'm still managing all of my clients for the marketing agency out here, actually trying to grow the marketing agency out here. The power of isolation means that I'm picking up momentum, I'm getting in the flow of things. So as I said, if you guys are serious about taking your online business full-time, right, and making this a proper income, a proper business, then I would literally just try to unplug yourself from your city, from your friends, isolate yourself, delve completely into what it is you're trying to build. Do that for a week, a few weeks, maybe a few months if you can, and then get back to civilization. So it's Sunday morning, just had a nice breakfast. Now it's time to get back home, continue work on Influencer.Ignited. We are now a week away officially. As I said, if you guys want to be a part of the waiting list, go pick up the personal brand playbook. I'm gonna leave it in the description. Once you pick that up, you will be automatically placed into the Facebook group. So guys, I'll see you tomorrow.